Hello, students. I am Anand ma'am, and I hope you have understood Unit 1.2 An Encounter of a Special Kind, Part 1, written by Tapan Mukherjee. Let us move on to Part 2. By this time, my parents and sisters had come out on to the veranda and were witnessing my rescue operation. Before this, we have seen that how that baby langur had been attacked by a big male langur and how the author saved it. In all these process, what happened in that afternoon? Because of all those uh, voices and noises and commotion, author's parents and sisters, they came out to the veranda to see what was happening, and they all were witnessing his rescue program operation. What is rescue? To save somebody, to rescue. Now some of our neighbors had also gathered in the distance. Some of his neighbors also came out and they were looking at him from a distance. I took the baby langur to a backyard and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. Now, after rescuing this baby, what he did? He took him to the backyard. What is backyard? आंगन. पीछे का जो आंगन होता है वहाँ पर. And he laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. And how he laid him? Gently. बहुत ही धीरे धीरे धीमे तरीके से, बहुत ही धीरे से लेखक ने क्या किया? उस बच्चे को फ्लोर पे रखा. किसके फ्लोर पे रखा? पोट्री कूप. व्हाट इज पोट्री कूप? पोट्री मीन्स जहाँ पर मुर्गियों को रखा जाता है, कूप उनकी रहने की जगह. His body was full of deep bite marks and scratched. The small baby's body was full of deep bite marks because of biting of that big male langur, and scratched. What is scratch? To dig or tear the skin with the nails or claws. Blood was oozing from some of the wounds. What is oozing? Was flowing out, releasing out very forcefully from the wounds. The baby remained motionless. Till now, the baby was motionless without any movement. My father provided first aid to clean the wounds and stop the bleeding. As we all know that the author's father was a medical professional, so the first thing he did was he provided first aid. And what he did? He cleaned the wounds and he tried to stop the bleeding. I was relieved to find out that the baby was breathing even though his breaths were shallow. Now, when the author inspected the baby, he was relieved. What is relieved? Chinta mukt hona. Why was he relieved? He found out that the baby was breathing. He was not dead. He was still breathing, even though the breathings were shallow. बहुत धीमे धीमे उसकी सांस चल रही थी. Splashes of cold water made the baby stir, and after a few shaky attempts, he sat up. स्प्लैशेस ऑफ कोल्ड वाटर मतलब ठंडे पानी के छिड़काव से बेबी क्या हुआ? थोड़ा सा हिल के उठने लगा, और थोड़े सा हिलने के बाद व्हाट ही डिड? ही सैट अप. उठ के बैठ गया. He was in a state of shock and started trembling like a leaf in the wind. Naturally, after such a dreadful and dangerous attack, anybody will be in a state of shock. So was the baby. वो क्या था? अभी भी सदमे में था. And he started trembling. Trembling means थर थर कांपना. कैसे कांपना? Like a leaf in the wind. His two little twinkling eyes welled up with tears, and he started to sob like a muffled cry, just like a human child would do after experiencing trauma. He was in such a state of trauma that he could not his voice could not come out. It was a muffled cry. He was sobbing, and tears started coming out of his twinkling eyes, two little twinkling eyes. And it was just like the small baby of a human being. As a human being would react after being after witnessing a trauma, the same way this little baby of Langur also reacted. I offered him a peeled banana, which he accepted with his unsteady hand and began taking hesitant bite. The author offered him a peeled banana, and this little baby langur, he accepted it with unsteady hands, means shaking hands, and he began to take what kind of bites? Hesitant bites. Jaldi jaldi khane laga. My attention was fixed on the revival of the baby langur. Now, suddenly, I had an uncanny feeling of being watched. Now the whole attention of the authors was fixed on the revival. कैसे इसको वापस ठीक किया जाए या इसको वापस पुरानी स्टेट में लाया जाए इस बच्चे को. But suddenly what happened? He felt something very uncomfortable. What is uncanny? Uncanny is uncomfortably strange feeling. And this feeling was he was being watched. कोई उसे देख रहा है, इस टाइप की feeling उसे हुई. I turned away from the coop and looked up. There sat the mother langur on our kitchen roof, watching every move I made. And who was watching this author? It was the mother langur who was sitting where? On the kitchen roof, and the mother was watching every move author was making. हर एक हरकत author की वो देख रही थी. She simply sat there quietly as if convinced that no harm was being done to her child. She did not do anything. She was just simply sitting there quietly. And why was she quietly sitting there? Because she was convinced, उसे भरोसा था पूरा कि उसके बच्चे के साथ कुछ भी गलत नहीं हो रहा है. Meanwhile, the baby sensed the presence of his mother and started to sob and cry a little louder. But in the meantime, what happened? The baby came to know that, oh, my mother is sitting on the roof of the kitchen. And what happened then? He started sobbing, and that cry became little louder. दिस इज़ डन बाय ह्यूमन बींग्स ऑल्सो, है ना. ह्यूमन जब बच्चों को पता चलता है कि उनकी माँ आसपास है, और ज़ोर से रोते हैं. आई रिट्रीटेड फ्रॉम द डोर ऑफ द कूप टू अलाउ द मदर access to her baby. Now the author, he moved back so that from the door so that the mother could come inside and take her baby. Immediately, the mother descended on the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arms. Now, see how she understood that the author wanted her to come inside and take the baby. She descended down. What is descending? Coming down, move downwards. She came down to the floor of the coop, and what did she do? She picked up the baby in her arms. जैसे माँ अपने बच्चे को लेती है, वैसे ही उसने भी लिया. She gave the baby a thorough body inspection to check his injuries and then cuddled him tightly in her bosom. As soon as she took the baby in her arm, what she did? She had a thorough body inspection. कहाँ कहाँ काटा है, कहाँ लगा है, and she checked for the injuries, and then she cuddled him. What is cuddling? Holding him closely to her chest. The baby found great solace in her caring arms. जैसे माँ की गोद में बच्चों को सुकून मिलता है, वैसे ही सुकून इस बच्चे को भी अपनी माँ की गोद में मिला. The mother sat still with the baby in her lap for a few minutes. The baby and the mother sat there only still, वैसे ही बैठी रही अपने बच्चे को लेकर for few minutes. It was almost as if she was pondering over her options and trying to figure out how she could keep the baby safe from further assault. Now she sat there for a moment thinking about, what is pondering? Thinking about over the options कि अब मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, अब कैसे इसको और बचा के रख सकते, कैसे इस बच्चे को बचाया जाए. She was trying to figure out things, that how to keep the baby safe from further assault. For few seconds, the mother langur looked straight into my eyes. And after that, what she did, for a few seconds, this mother langur looked straight into the eyes of the author. Even today, I cannot forget that look in her eyes, showering silent gratitude on me for saving her child. And as she looked in the eyes of the author, what kind of look was it? It was a look of silent gratitude for saving the baby's life, for saving her child's life. I was overwhelmed by the emotion, the sentiment, and the way she said thanks to me. Really, the author was overwhelmed by the emotion, the sentiment, and the way she said thanks to him. This was the first time where an animal had expressed its gratitude. There sat a universal mother holding a stricken child in her lap. वो जो वहाँ बैठी थी, शी वॉज अ यूनिवर्सल मदर. दे एग्जिस्ट एवरीवेयर. हर माँ एक ही तरीके की होती है. एंड वॉट वॉज शी डूइंग? शी वॉज होल्डिंग अ स्ट्रिकन चाइल्ड, अ सफरिंग चाइल्ड, एन इंजर्ड चाइल्ड इन हर लैप. उस स्थिति में एक माँ की क्या दशा होगी, उस दशा में वो बैठी थी. Then, in a flash, she jumped with her baby clinging to her belly and reached our kitchen roof. और बिल्कुल पलक झपकते what she did, she jumped with her baby clinging means अपने पेट से चिपकाए हुए. Where did she reach? She reached our kitchen roof. She surveyed the area for the vicious male langur and then leapt away in the direction opposite to the place of the violent encounter. She first went on the roof, then she surveyed the area. What is surveying? देखना, जांच पड़ताल करना कि what was she trying to see? What was she trying to figure out? That from where did that vicious male langur came? So वहाँ उसने जानने की कोशिश की. एंड देन शी लेफ्ट अवे. कहाँ? कूदते हुए चली गई दूसरे ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, है ना, जहाँ पर ये वायलेंट इनकाउंटर हुआ था उसके ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में बड़ी सी छलांग लेकर वो चली गई. The brief meeting with the mother and the baby langur convinced me that the interspecies communication and mutual trust is indeed a reality, and should anyone strike the right chord, the relationship hums into action. This brief meeting, this small meeting with the mother and the baby langur, these are the animals, right, which the author had encountered just now. But this convinced the author that interspecies communication means वार्तालाप, एक दूसरे का आदान प्रदान. किसके लिए बोल रहा है वो? इंटर स्पीशीज. इट्स नॉट अ कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन मैन टू मैन, ह्यूमन टू ह्यूमन, बट इट इज़ अ कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन एन एनिमल एंड अ ह्यूमन. एंड म्यूचुअल ट्रस्ट, एक दूसरे के प्रति क्या? ट्रस्ट, विश्वास, इज़ अ रियलिटी. ये क्या चीज़ है? एक रियलिटी है, एक सही सच्ची बात है. एंड शुड एनी वन स्ट्राइक द राइट कॉर्ड, द रिलेशनशिप हम्स इनटू एक्शन. और अगर सही तरीके से इसको किसी ने कभी सही तरीके से इसे देखना चाहा तो सचमुच में ये रिलेशनशिप क्या होता है? इट हम्स इनटू एक्शन, इट बिकम्स एक्टिव. The mother langur showed me that food was not the only means of communication between man and animal, but that there were other means of establishing a bond through trust, compassion, and mutual understanding. The mother langur showed him, she just not showed him, but also taught him that सिर्फ खाना ही नहीं है एक तरीका कि जिससे बातचीत की जाए या एक दूसरे के से संवाद रखा जाए एक इंसान और एक जानवर के साथ. बट देन देर आर अदर मीन्स, अलग अलग तरीके के बहुत सारे तरीके हो सकते हैं टू स्टैब्लिश अ बॉन्ड, एक तरीके का विश्वास का बंधन, एक कंपैशन का बंधन. कंपैशन मीन्स सिंपथी एंड काइंडनेस एंड म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ये भी एक मीन्स हो सकता है टू इस्टैब्लिश अ बॉन्ड. 55 years have passed since that day. Today, if you calculate, the author is saying how many years have passed? 55 years. 55 साल गुजर गए. I am now 70 years old. How old is the author today or right now? He is 70 years old. 70 साल के हैं वो. But I still fondly remember that encounter of a special kind. लेकिन आज भी, today also, he still fondly means very lovingly, he remembers that encounter which was of a special kind. So this is a real life incident which happened in the life of the author Tapan Mukherjee, and he came to know what kind of a relationship or a bond could be established between interspecies, that is animals and human beings. It can be a bond of trust, compassion and mutual understanding. There are certain new words which are found in the chapter. We will just quickly have a look at all these words. Coop. Coop means cage for पोल्ट्री मीन्स जहाँ पर मुर्गियों को रखा जाता है, वो दड़बा. Oozing means releasing or overflowing. Here the blood was oozing out. Muffled means quietened or suppressed sound. Stir means moved. Trauma means great distress. Descended means moved downward. Cuddled means held closely. Solace means comfort and peace. You find solace in your mother's lap. Ponder means think over deeply. Stricken, to be hit hard or to suffer. Universal means existing everywhere or involving everywhere. Vicious means evil or wicked, cruel. Hums into action means becomes active. Compassion means sympathy or kindness. So this is the end of the chapter, children, and in which we have studied the interspecies communication and bond between animals and human being. Please read the chapter carefully, learn all the new words and keep reading. Thank you.